OpenAI has just released Sora 2, and it is absolutely insane. For the first time, 98% of people won't be able to tell the difference between an AI-generated video and a real one. Because it can generate videos with hyper-realistic physics and audio, it's almost impossible to know whether a video was created using AI or not. The best part about Sora 2 is that it is far less censored than Veo 3. You can create videos of celebrities without getting blocked, like you would in Veo 3. Just look at this video of Sam Altman generated using Sora 2.
Open? We were never open. We are closed AI.
As you can see, the video looks amazing, with many camera angle changes and cuts. Most importantly, not only does this AI-generated character look like Sam Altman, but its voice is also nearly identical. Now, I am going to show you a short, hyper-realistic movie created with Sora 2. This movie is absolutely insane. Just watch it.
Since I was a kid, I've loved skiing. It's been my dream to compete in the Winter Games. Another day of training. Woohoo!
I'm sorry, Michael. This looks too serious. You may not be able to ski again.
We can stop.
No, it's okay. I can do it. Let's try again. Come on, Michael. You are doing this to give yourself a chance. Okay. Whoa. Got it. Slow. That's something.
Now, I want you to be honest. If I didn't tell you this video was generated using AI, would you have guessed it was AI made, or would you think it was real video? So that's aside. Sora 2 is also really good at creating videos in different art styles that are not realistic, such as 3D animations, or even 2D animations. Now, I am going to show examples of some really cool animated scenes created using Sora 2. First, we're going to look at this fight scene. Just watch the fight scene.
You're wide open!
Just one.
As you can see, the fight scene was really cool, the dialogue was quite good, and everything looks impressive. Now, I am going to show you a sequence of AI-generated animations.
You're finished, Shinigami. Like hell I am! Zero! Getsuga! Tensho! I'm not done yet! Shadow Clone Breakbeat! Ha!
Let's spin, guys!
Catch! You're not escaping, Light-kun!
Quit calling me that while you're trying to kick me!
Persistent as ever.
You're one to talk! Ow! Get back here!
The lake looks different at this hour.
Yeah, like it's holding the sky for us. Even in this rain, I can see you clearly. I won't break again.
Kneel, Shadow Wielder!
Not a chance!
Insolent!
End of the line! Too slow.
I won't let you toy with me, Hisoka.
Such a lovely spark.
Try keeping up!
Oh, I intend to.
Yo, I'm bald, but the shine's still lethal. Stage in ruins, I'm bored of sequels. You huge, cool, means more echo when the rhyme hits you.
As you can see, this sequence was really well animated by Sora 2, and every movement is like actual animations with sharp character motion. I really like that Sora 2 understands how characters should move in different art styles, which is insane. People have also started animating memes using Sora 2. For example, this meme was animated using Sora 2, and it looks incredible. I think it would cost $1 or $2 in credits, but if you paid a human to do this, this animation would at least cost $1,000 because of the number of frames that need to be drawn. This is impressive, and it's not just that this AI model can make good videos in 2D animation. It can also create really good videos in other animation and video styles. Here is a video in the 3D animation style. Watch this video first.
Still got 2 stars. They glued to it.
Then craft them off. What you got?
Just a block. Boom.
That's one way to mine Los Santos.
Let's mine some distance before they respawn.
Man, the city ain't ready for.
I can tell you these kinds of animated videos are definitely going to go viral on social media. That is a really good thing. Sora 2 can also create gameplay of different games. Here is a gameplay video of Doom. This gameplay looks really good. Now I'm going to play the full video for you to see.
One down. Rocket for you. Pinky incoming. Spin it up. Got him. Revenant next. All clear, heading for the exit.
Here is another video of Mario Kart generated with Sora 2. This video also looks really cool. What I really like about Sora is its ability to create really good stop motion videos, like this.
It's also about creativity and joy. 1, 2, 3, 4.
From all these examples I have shown you, it's clear that Sora is truly impressive. However, the only problem with Sora 2 is that it's in invite-only mode, so you need an invitation code to use Sora, but no need to worry, I have a few invitation codes. And if you like, subscribe and comment something nice about this video. The bot will automatically send you an invitation code. Let's compare how much it has improved from Sora 1. First, I'm going to show you a video generated using Sora 1, and then a video generated using Sora 2. This is a video created with Sora 1, and as you can see, it looks quite stupid. There is no audio, and the dog distorts almost all the time. Now, this is a similar video created using Sora 2, and as you can see, the physics here are excellent. The interaction of the environment with the dog looks natural, and the dog's behavior is realistic. Sora 2 is a huge improvement over Sora 1. Here is another example. This video was created with Sora 1 of some people playing basketball, and it looks absolutely bad and can be classified as AI slop. Now, this is a similar video generated using Sora 2, and it looks completely realistic. Most people would mistake it for an actual video. Sora 2 has completely changed what we expected from AI and has destroyed our old expectations. Now, let's look at some other use cases you can explore with Sora 2. The main thing most people will use it for is promoting their products on social media. This is a product video promoting a specific product created with Sora 2. Just watch this video.
Feel like your brain's running those numbers on repeat? Same desk, same clock, same yawns. Pop a tab. Whoa, that's a mango missile straight to the taste buds. Sweet, sparky, unstoppable. Grab it.
As you can see, it looks impressive, and there's nothing bad I can say about it. The prompt could be improved for better character movement, but it's amazing that we can now create these kinds of videos in 2 or 3 minutes. Previously, it would take hours and require professional actors, directors, and everything else needed to make an advertisement. Another use case I'm really excited about in Sora 2 is creating your own cinematic worlds, where you can become the main character or place yourself in the cinematic worlds of your favorite movies. That's going to be a really cool thing to do with Sora 2. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.